So, guys, have you thought about it? What is this life without fashion? Come on. Of course, it's going to be a boring life. Yes. So, guys, there's this update I'm bringing to you. Of course, you know this channel is all about fashion, lifestyle. So, guys, there's this Bottega bag that came in, and the colors are all given top notch. The leather, everything, compartment, all given. And I'm going to show you. You can easily get it in the market. And guess what? The price also, everything is. So, guys, kindly stay tuned. Watch till the end, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So, guys, this video will be an unboxing video. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this Bottega bag has so many colors. The colors are up to 10, and the price is 25,000 naira. And you can easily get them in the market. Of course, you know this channel, I update you on your luxury wear standard sports bags. So the unboxing time, the inside, it has a compartment which can actually take some of your stuff, and it doesn't have a it has a long hand. It has a long hand. You can carry it on with your wrong hand, and you can also carry it on with just a shorter hand of it. So kindly watch this video to the end. Tell me the colors you like. Will you like to purchase any of them, and how do you say it? Of course, you know that these bags have different grades. There are some that are much higher, and trust me, there's no much different about these two bags, honestly. One day I'm going to do a video of the luxury design and this design, so there will be a comparison. Nothing much. This goes for 25,000 naira. You can purchase it from the market. So, guys, watch to the end. Please subscribe, like, comment. Of course, you know that your subscription matters a lot to me. Thank you, guys. Bye. Love you. Go for 5 6